Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to yet another video. Recently I got a chance to visit a succulent factory. In that factory where I found multiple varieties of succulents, cactus, indoor plants and some ornamental plants like that. So we can go for a tour. I hope you guys are ready. Please enjoy the video. And I bought some of them that I'll show you. It's on growing stage. I'll show you after a month, hopefully. So enjoy the video. You'll give the basket? By visiting these places, we'll get some idea how to plant certain plants. See, this type of idea. See, these are all looks awesome, right? It's a PVC pipe only. Have to plant something like this in different version. We'll get some idea. See how they did it. This plant already I have. A nursery visit is good for the soul. We get to see the future. Sometimes you will feel relaxed. I love visiting plant nurseries because I know the potential they hold for the future, for our environment. Just like visiting a children's nursery school, one learns the potential of our future people power. There are so many similarities between people and plants. I'm surprised that few people drawn the connections between the two. If I'm explaining about all those, it will be a little exaggerating. Better pause here itself. That's all about small succulent factory tour. I have few collection of succulent plants as well as indoor plants. If anyone would like to buy plants, please let me know. That's all about today's video. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.